Alright, let's get this fucking show on the road. God damn, I got one fucking beer left. Ooh, that first sip is the best. Alright, grab the fucking funnel. Grab some fucking antifreeze. Let's get set up here. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh, a little bit of train fluid in there. But that's okay. Sometimes transmission fluid where it doesn't belong is a good thing. Plus, rust prevention, you know. That'll help it a little bit too. Oh yeah. Gotta fucking love it. Got this old fucking shitbox caddy about a month ago. Needed a water pump or a thermostat housing to hold water so you can run it longer and a few other things. Only has 60,000 miles on it, but it was like really badly neglected. Oil was all shitty. Been taken apart. Old lady owned it, just beat the fucking shit out of it. Apparently she was blind too. So that went real well. Poor old thing. Has a 4100 V8 with a 4-speed overdrive, I think. 4-speed with overdrive. I don't know for sure how many gears is in it. So yeah, 4-speed I'm assuming. 60,473 original miles. Gotta love it. It actually drives like it has 60,000 miles on it too. Keep in mind that this engine is pretty much worthless at this point. They're known for blowing head gaskets like they owe them fucking money. Pretty shitty. Oh, it also has an aluminum engine block with iron cylinder heads. Terrible combination. It's throttle body injection, which is, you know, fucking uppity for 1984. But it's pathetic now. Now I got the LS out there. Now, saying that, parts are really hard to come by, especially a thermostat housing, so I improvised. Fucking PVC pipe and elbow, JB welded and shoved into the fucking intake. And one of the 3 water outlets that attach to the thermostat housing is blocked off with more JB welds. The shit's held up pretty fucking good. The only way it leaked was there was a little pinhole right here, right above the hose clamp. So I just gave it a fucking reach around without disconnecting the hose. Add a fucking O-ring and it's fucking cherry. So 1 jug of straight half and half, or one jug of straight antifreeze down. Now I'm going to mix it with water, make it half and half like it's supposed to be. Alright, here we fucking go. Doing it this way is guaranteed to have the proper half and half mixture every time. So now you know. Alright, down the fucking hatch she goes. Alright, fucking fill the radiator. Now I gotta crank this stinky bastard. Just to pull the water through and pull it down. Oh yeah, let's see how long it takes for the fucking coolant temp light to come on. Oh, it's fucking purdy alien piss in there. Alright, well let's take care of that then. She runs really fucking good. It's actually like somewhat smooth. Even though it's a cadillac motor, I expected less. So I think that'll fucking do it. Fucking ripped it up. It doesn't seem to be sucking any more down. Still about a quart of straight water in there, so guess we'll add this to the fucking milkshake holder. You know, just in case. Plus we were supposed to, I think. Oh yeah, get in there, you dirty bitch. Oh, can't do that. Alright. Pretty quiet, like the only racket from it is probably the engine. I really don't know. I'll bypass the power steering because the power steering pump's fucked. So I'm only running 2 belts. One for the alternator, one for the water pump, because that's all you need. Oh yeah, fucking luxury cup holders right there. Only works while in park. I just wish they had more gauges. Like, speedometer is the only gauge it has. It's kind of irritating. With the intermittent wipers, they actually work today. So let's move it over to medium. Medium. Okay, maximum wipage. Boo. Okay, no wipage. That's cool. I don't really know what that's about, but okay. So if you notice, this thing is actually kind of quiet. Yeah, it's actually really fucking quiet. Too quiet for me though. But we're gonna change that. Kind of nice to have a whole jug of antifreeze left over. Maybe I can just return it and get some fucking beer money. That'd be nice. Or maybe a bigger bench. Or pay someone to clean it. That'd be nice as well. Alright, it's time to go part shopping. Ooh, fucking waspy boys. Hate those fucking things. Hey girls, what's up? Come here. Hey Rosie. And you're hyper. Give me this fucking thing. Yeet! Okay guys, stay focused. Let's go part shopping. What do I want? Ooh. Here we go. So this is a knockoff Flowmaster I've just kind of like had chilling around forever. Used to be on this fucking truck at one point. Then I actually paid someone to put a really nice exhaust system on it. What's like getting in your girl's car? Your knees hit the fucking dash while your ass is pressed against the back. Fucking shitty. You get in, you turn the key. Everything's on full blast. And there's no fucking gas in it. Still fucking runs beautiful though. Only because I take care of it. Alright, let's make some room. Ugh. Fucking Ranger sounded like shit. I thought I ran over something. Alright, that'll work. Alright, plenty of room to vroom. Almost lost my fucking drink. Motherfucker. Which key is that? Okay, that's this one. Fucking fine. Alright, don't forget your jack stands because safety third, something like that.
Dude, fucking thick lean, dude.
Alright, so back to breaking the fucking law. I'm gonna grab the good old fucking Chicago Electric Sawzall. Thanks Harbor Freight for never letting me down except a few times. Quite frankly, I ask for it every time though. I hold off on the Sawzall, this fucking bitch is bolted in. I'll use the Sawzall if I break these fucking bolts though, but let's get the Ooga Dooga and see. Alright, got a fucking tool. See if it fits. Here we go. Oh yeah, first fucking thing I found. So let's put the chrome on the impact like you're supposed to do. Fucking let her rip. Oh, let's fucking let her rip without any penetrating oil first. Reverse. One. I need a fucking swivel. So you're going to want to put a 6-inch chrome extension and a chrome U-joint on your fucking impact if you like to live life on the edge, like I do. Oh yeah, ready to fucking send. Gotta get out of the danger zone here just in case something happens. Oh yeah. Fucking nice. Oh, I'm missing some hooks somewhere. Might be this one. Oops.
That castle is going to be so good.
Oh. Yeah, she's fucked. Alright, stand by. Alright, well, off camera, I just busted it loose with a fucking breaker bar because I ain't got time for this shit. Plus, I want to listen to it like this. Straight off the cat, let's see what happens. Ooh, got the fucking Cholo lean. Leaning like a Cholo senior. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Ooh, a little bit of smoky cheeks. Ooh, that shit stinks though. But it sounds good. Let's just fucking send it. Just kidding, I really want to know what that sounds like. So there's a fucking U-bolt with about 2 9/16, possibly nuts on top. Let's spray those with oil real quick. To get that other one. Oh yeah, right on the fucking money. I'm gonna get those off and let's see what happens. Oh, bad news. I sacrificed my straight wrench for a Florida Georgia line wrench. And it's fucking crooked as hell. Oh well. In process, I managed to bust loose one bolt and strip the other. So, looks like I gotta find a fucking metal blade. Breaking the law, breaking the law. And she is motherfucking out. Kinda wanna try something. Heh 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 heh. Heh heh heh. Oh yeah. Fucking beautiful. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah, dude. Got the whole hillbilly dump going on with the booger wells to top it off. Just took a smaller pipe and set it in between the two just to hold it up. It's not clamped in or any shit like that. Let's fucking see how she sounds. Nice exhaust leaks, it ain't bad. Yeah, not fucking bad, I would say. Well, for a knockoff Flowmaster I had laying around, it's not terrible. Granted that the straight pipe sounded a little bit better, I think. Close the cup holder up and let's call it good. You know, save the junkyard battery from dying. And save the camera prop. Old lady cooked for me, so I'm gonna have some dinner. Probably a safe bet to close the garage before you turn on your car that faces the garage, because I could have a fucking party in there if I wanted to. This shit stinks. There we go. Alright, ladies and gents, thanks.